All right, finishing off rad protection for personnel protection is handling of materials. So handling of radioactive materials, this isn't really something that we do in our area of diagnostic, but it could certainly be seen in the nuclear medicine department or something like that. Most of the time, and my best suggestion is to follow the department protocol for handling and disposing of radioactive materials. All the materials should be separate from waste by kind of physical form, so you don't want to mix a liquid in with a solid. You want to make sure you're wearing gloves, and then you wash hands as soon as you're done. You want to make sure and put the radioactive solids into lead and unbreakable containers, and then making sure you're putting them into the correctly labeled containers, and then attaching a hazardous waste tag to the container, allowing someone else to know that it's a radioactive material. The MSDS, or Material Safety Data Sheet, is definitely something you should be familiar with, or at least where to find it, because this tends to be a question when the location has a walkthrough. They'll ask if you know where the MSD is. Our facility, it's on our website, the radiology department website, and the MSDS is a material safety data sheet. It's something that provides workers with a safe guideline for working with certain materials. It has procedures for how to handle or working with a particular substance that can be found in the workplace. So it can include specifics about the material, so boiling points, toxicity, reactiveness of it, what PPE should you wear for handling it or using it, how to handle a spill of that material, first aid suggestions, what it could possibly cause that would need a first aid, the storage of it, disposal of it, and general health effects. So if you see this abbreviation for MSDS, that is the data sheet that's for workers, and it provides them kind of guidelines for particular substances that they would find in their facility.